Hi, so this video is about how to use the Graph software on your project. So on the handout that I have that has information about the Graph software, the website www.padawan.dk is listed. So let's go there. Let me share the screen here so that you can see what we're doing. There we go. Okay. And then we type in www.padawan.dk. And there it is. Okay. Now, don't be confused by this stuff over here. These are ads. Don't click on them. What you want is you need this download section right here. So click on download. And then right here, again, ignore these. This is the download that you need. This is the exe file. It's 10 megabytes. You click on that and it'll download, and then you'll be able to download it onto your computer. Now, I already have it on my computer, so I don't need to download it again. But once you go through that process, you'll see an icon like this graph icon right here. And then we can open it up, and there is what the software interface looks like. Now, if you want to make a graph, you can come in here where it says function, insert function, and this is the main interface right here. You're going to type in where it says f of x equals, let's say we want to graph the line 3x plus 1. So there it is. So I've got the thickness of that line set on 3. I think when you download it, the default is 1, which really, it just doesn't show up very well. So I would encourage you to make that a little bit thicker. Sometimes 3 or 5 works very well. Let's see here. What else? If you want to set the axes, you can edit axes. Okay. You can also double click right here, and that'll bring you to the same edit axes place. So you can hand set the X and Y axes. Let's say I make this 15 by 15 instead of 10 by 10. And there it is. And let's say we want to, instead of having the ticks every 1, let's say we want the ticks every 3. You can replace it like that. Now, it's hard to read these numbers. And when you copy and paste this into your project, it will get even harder. So to make those bigger, we go into Edit Axes, Font and Color, Number Font. And I found that 18 to 20 is a good font for these numbers. So let's see, I'll go back to having the tick marks every 1. There we go. Okay. So there's what the graph looks like. Now, if you want to put this into your project, let's say we open up a Word document here. And let's see. So then we take our graph, and it's in edit. We go under edit, copy image, go into the Word document, paste it in there, and there it is. You can see it's kind of, those numbers are still pretty hard to see. Let's see, even if we make it bigger. So let's let me erase this one. Let's go back in here. And you can just play around with this and find something that works for you. Let's make the font 24. Okay, then we'll go edit, copy image, go into Word and paste it in there. And now it's a lot easier to see those numbers. So those are the basics of using the Graph software. I've used it. Let me stop sharing. There we go. I've used this for about 10 years and it works very, very well. I haven't seen any bugs in the software. It hasn't really caused me any problems. So I encourage you to download and use this. It's a very small file. Even if you don't have a computer, you can go to any computer and plug a flash drive in and download it onto the flash drive and then run it off of that. If you have any questions about it, please let me know. Thanks.